11:16, April 14th, 2018. The doorbell. The doorbell button was kind of too long, and it would stick out of here just about 1.5 centimeters. So I had to trim this part. I cut this off of there, and it's now not sticking out really. I submerged this in varnish yet another time, and it's now perfect. I love it. I spent too much time really on this thing, way too much time, but it was worth it. I mean, look how beautiful it is, and it's going to last quite some time, I think. The wood, I sorted out the lumber for my entrance gate. I just leaned the lumber against the gate to see how it would look, and boy would it look great. Of course, I will not put the lumber on that side. I will put it on this side of the gate, and I'll need 9 centimeter long screws and bolts and nuts to screw through this and this, and screw it and bolt it together. I was very generous with the varnish, and there's still some left on the surface, which is perfect. This wood, I think, will last for a good 40 days here, given all the varnish that I gave it and the quality of the wood. It's very heavy. I think what we have here is about, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At least 250 kilos. At least. Thank you for watching.